Sincerely, you've been thinking of how you can write words so as to convince people to take action on what you want them to take. Today, on this channel, we'll be dealing with how to write using the words to sell. Now, my name is Hafiz Abdul Karim, and on this channel, we teach values on sales, marketing, online money making, and motivation. So today we'll be dealing with what we call how to write using words to sell, and it's going to be a very short video. So just follow me. So we have this using words to sell is what we mean by copywriting, and that's what we also term as copywriting skills. Copywriting is using, according to Dialogue, is using words to sell. That's in it means salesmanship in print or saleswomanship in print. Using words to sell to people in order to persuade them in order to buy or click. So this thing is used to lead to maybe what we call webinar or training or maybe you want to give a kind of training or courses training for people. So where we are heading here today is that, okay, what are the forms of copy that we have? We have the short copy and the long copy. The short copy used to be in forms of that 500 copy lesser above, as it's going to be 500 words that are lesser is what we mean by what? The short copy. The short copy, you write it and it's going to be less than 500 words. 500 words. So, and we used to use this kind of copy in our Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and some other forms of ads that we have like that. So, including the video ad and some other things. So, they to lead us to more information that can lead us to maybe our webinar or training that you want to put in place. So now we look at it. We also have the long copy, whereby we use for what we call it in order to set up our landing pages. So we used to use what we call our longer copy. We have two formula for copy. We have two formula for copy, which is our header. And what is header? Header, it means your attention, interest, desire, and action. So you must be able to, your first line must be able to what? Must be able to attract me, must be able to push me to what? To read further. If you could not be able to attract my attention within 2 seconds or 3 seconds of while reading your copy, it's never a good copy. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So if you want to convince me, it has to be a very short form. Then for the interest, you have to arouse my interest on what you are writing, so that you can be able to what? To read more on what you are talking about. Then the next one is the desire. This is where we said we sell benefit, you sell future. You don't sell future, you sell benefit for people. Then at the matter of fact, action, you call people to action on what you are talking about. We also used to use what we call the 2H2C, whereby we call it heading, hooking, content, and call to action. Your heading must be sound, which is the attraction to the main point. Then you have to hook that person on that main point as you are going. Then you put out what we call the content of that ad to it. Then you call them to action in order them to buy, to click, or to do some other certain thing that you want them to do in your ad. So this thing is very something that is very simple. Once you follow up on what I have said down, then click on the subscribe button and like the video, and you continue to see more valuable content like this on this channel. So we'll end the talk for today. Thank you very much.